Hey guys! In this video, I'll quickly show you how to link your bank account or debit card to your Robinhood account. First, open the Robinhood app, tap on your account icon, then go to Transfers, Linked Accounts, Add Account. If your bank appears in the list, just log in with your online banking credentials and it'll link instantly. If your bank isn't listed, select Manual Verification. Enter your account and routing number carefully. Include any leading or trailing zeros. Robinhood will send 2 small deposits to your account within 48 hours. Once you see them, go back to Linked Accounts, select Verify, and enter both amounts. If you only see one deposit, it's probably merged by your bank. Call them to get the 2 exact amounts in order. For debit cards, go to Linked Accounts, tap Add Account, Debit Card, then enter your card details. Robinhood will charge $1.95 temporarily. Check your bank statement for a code next to RH*. Enter that code in the app, and your card will be verified. The $1.95 gets refunded. Quick tips: link a checking account instead of a savings one to avoid issues. Avoid prepaid or business accounts. They won't work. Make sure your bank supports ACH transfers. Don't start multiple verifications at once and have at least $1.95 in your account for debit verification. That's it. You're now ready to transfer money in and out of Robinhood. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more helpful guides.